Ever wonder why we yawn even when you are not sleepy? Yawning is your brain's quick way of resetting itself. When your brain gets a little warm, tired, or low on stimulation, a yawn brings in cooler air that increases the blood flow almost like hitting a mini refresh button. And the contagious yawning that happens because our brain naturally mirrors people around us. It's a sign of social connection, not just tiredness. If you are yawning a lot, your brain may just be asking for your oxygen, movement, or a bit more alertness. If excessive yawning is new or persistent, it's worth getting your sleep and neurological patterns checked.